morning's low temperature at the airport, exactly what we expected. It was 5 below officially, but we had some eye-popping numbers in parts of the region this morning. New Philly, 13 below zero. And in our viewing area, we did have some unofficial thermometers that were around minus 15 to almost minus 17 at the start of the day today. 2 nights in a row we've had so far with below zero low temperatures. It'll be a close call tonight. Officially at the Youngstown Warren Airport, we might not drop below freezing. If we do, we have a good chance of being at the top of this list before the week is through. The record for consecutive nights below zero, 5 back in the 1950s. And although it's questionable whether we'll get below zero officially tonight, I think tomorrow night and the following night, almost certainly all of us will be below zero. Ice continues to expand. 95% coverage right now on Lake Erie and on our local lakes and other waterways. The ice continues to thicken up. Just keeping in mind, of course, it is tempting to head out on the ice when it gets at a certain time of the year thick enough. And ice fishing, you need about 4-inch thick ice to safely do ice fishing. And snowmobiles, ATVs, and other automobiles, you need about a half a foot or more worth of thickness on our area lakes to even try to do some of those things. This morning we had a pretty cool sight, and this is pretty common when it gets really cold and the wind is calm. We had some ice pillars across the region where millions of tiny little ice crystals suspended in the air refracted some light across the region. We had several pictures such as this one from Blair in Hermitage. Always a cool thing to check out when it's really cold and really calm like it was this morning. Again, tonight officially we're looking for about 1, but there'll be some unofficial thermometers that probably slip us several degrees below zero. The wind chill settling between, say, 6 below and 12 below as tomorrow gets underway. I think we've seen our coldest wind chills already out of this outbreak of cold air, but the coldest actual temperatures coming our way, I think, later in the week. After a similar day to today, tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds and maybe a stray flurry. Of course, cold temperatures for tomorrow at 12 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, it's tomorrow night that the bottom really falls out of our temperatures. And well, this is kind of a broad brush look at what we can expect tomorrow night into Friday morning. Much like this morning, I would expect in some of the cooler nooks to be minus 15 or so as Friday gets underway. Same thing on Saturday morning as well. And after a cold day on Friday with a mix of sun and clouds, Saturday will start with a mostly clear sky, and that will allow the temperatures to bottom out once again. No major storms in sight. This will be a major snowstorm for parts of the southeast, including around the Carolinas into Virginia. They'll be really digging out over the weekend. Again, that storm is a miss for us well out to our east. We have very little snow to talk about actually over the next week or so. Maybe a flurry tonight, maybe a flurry tomorrow. That's about it. In fact, we'll see a fair amount of sunshine on Friday, and I think Sunday will be a fairly bright day as well. And while next week will not exactly be warm by any stretch of the imagination, it will not be as harsh. We're talking overnight temperatures in the teens, daytime highs in the 20s, more kind of generic or vanilla early February weather than this deep freeze we're in right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, less snow the better. We've got plenty of it.
That's right.
Thanks,
sir.
Sure.
Now here's a check of what's trending on our 21